And we're
Hello.
back to another video. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, even though I just uploaded like days ago. Okay, what am I saying? Anyways, we're playing Animal Hospital. Yeah, there's a right behind us. Dr. Hollow, don't watch us.
Hello.
Yes, he's not gonna watch us. Let's go. Get in,
Let's
Big Bang.
go.
Okay. Okay, what did I just say? Bye bye.
Okay.
Okay, I don't need to be. And also, my friend Diba is playing with me. Say hi.
Hello.
Okay, that was goofy. You're like, hello. Wow, you're an intern.
Hello.
Wow. Okay.
Val.
Can you stop spreading? Okay, why did I jump?
There, I'm gonna steal a coffee. Okay, I'm joking. I'm not
Wait,
gonna do
my
that.
screen is stuck. Wait, my screen is. Okay, my friend did not tell me that. I meant,
Oh
oh
wait, but you kind of
my
already
friend
said
told
my
me
name, so what can you
my
do?
friend told me to not say her name, but I'm gonna call her well, I'm gonna I don't know. I'm gonna edit that. Anyways, new server switch. Time to play the game already. Get in, your big back.
Wait, but what do we do? Because you already kind of told my name, so.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm just gonna end it that. I'm just gonna add a loud sound like the
You're gonna...
horn thing. Sorry, I'm being too loud.
Okay, just edit it,
Just
and edit my name tag also.
edit.
Yeah, and I'm gonna watch it when it's done. Okay. You can
Girl.
start the.
Okay. No, you're doing the check-ins. You're doing the check-ins, Big Buck. Wow, the camera. It has a face on it. Iconic by mistake.
Oh wow, I never even knew that. Why does
Diba.
Bill's cute look like?
Help. Okay, never mind. Okay, leave the door open just in case. What's your name?
Okay.
Motoko Takai. What? Okay.
Did you start recording right now? Like
Yeah, I did.
girl?
Wow,
Oh.
the items changed. It looks so hyper realistic. No, really. Okay, this is room 1. Oh wait, what does it need again? Okay, I'm just gonna get the eye drop and just because
Yeah,
we're
you
speed
got
running, that's okay. It's like
you got a patient in room 1.
I know, Big Back, and right now it's
Oh.
like
Okay.
9:23 o'clock. Okay, come in the room,
Okay.
Big Back. Come in the room. Thank you very much. Wow, there's gloves. Why are they so hyper realistic? Joking. Okay, not gonna lie, they're kind of real though. Realistic though. I just okay, I'm sorry for the bad thing. I just wanted to do that on purpose. Stomach ache! We got the herbs already! Herbs. Oh, my bad for doing that. Recovering! Sampadum-padim-padum-dim. Yo, where did bro go? Oh! Room 2. Oh, this is not good. I think this is the end. I think this is the end. I think we're all dead. My name is ridiculous. Oh, shitting. Yo, did I just saw something? Anyways, God. You like my singing?
Yeah,
Hello,
it's
Dr.
so good.
Harlow. We already see your name right there on the top. No. No, I said no. I said no. I'm inside your head right now, Deep. I'm at Elmo.
Yeah, and I can see your face.
Wait, how can you see my...
Because you're girl.
I'm the best one. I'm the best one. I'm the best one. I'm the best. Yeah, I'm the best. I think. Yes, I am the best. I am the best. Why did I open my menu? Diva, can you stop doing that? Hi, Green. I don't know why I called you green. Oreo Lee. What is that name? Oreo Lee.
Oreo! Oreo, like the person in our camp.
First name Ron. I swear I saw something.
Second,
I swear I saw something.
Zero's not okay, guys.
No, I swear I saw something. It was like right over there. I am not lying. Was it the Ratina? Matthew. Oh, if I get jump scared by the stalker, I'm just gonna rage. Sanity. Get it? I'm gonna do my chocolate, yeah. How am I singing this, bro? This is gonna take age. Totally not Canadian. Yo, I am actually gonna freak out. I'm joking. Actually, I am going to. One camera broken. Totally not beatboxing. Just eat the sugar. Diba, I swear if you let an anomaly in without checking the cameras, I am going to jump on you and eat you alive. Jump. Jumpity jump. Jumpity jump. Jumpity jump. Something, ouch. Thank you. Didn't you pick time?
Oh, there's this thing knocking on the window. Do I give him coffee?
Was it the one who said tung 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 sahur? Oh, I see it. Tung 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 sahur. Okay, my bad. Wait, what do you have again? Fever, la boo boo. I just heard myself. I'm running.
Bro.
I'm running. Hey.
Do I give him?
Oh, shitting. Stop looking at me. Yo, why you look at the... Hey. Leave the guy alone. Can you stop looking at me, Anna? Okay. Why am I jumping? God. Okay, why am I saying this, bro? My name is Angry Dinglist. Oh, shitty. Room 3.
How dare he? A customer said I should have gone to a different hospital. That's so mean.
Well, it's because this hospital is so nice that they couldn't choose which one's better. Totally not haunted. Ouch.
Yeah, totally.
Totally. Yo.
Zero, excuse me. What the hell?
What is happening to you? Oh, dry eyes. I hope the monster is in here. Monster. Dry eyes again. The doctor is arriving. Hello, my name is Dr. Harry.
Yo, then
Ella.
Zero, the next time. Zero, the next time. The next time that we play Animal Hospital, can we like skip the doctor dialogue?
Skip the what dialogue? Skip the what dialogue?
The doctor dialogue.
The doctor dialogue. Why is this keyboard so hyper? We already know this.
What is animals?
That was really.
Yay,
I'm the boss. Oh, take me coffee. Wait, how much sanity do you have? Hi, Ron from accounting. Oh, how much sanity do you have? I said how much
41.
Maybe. Then take the coffee. I have 44. Oh wait, I'm supposed to. Well, it's because you're like staying over here. It does not. It does not.
Wait.
I'm sorry.
Don't drink all of it because.
I know. Don't call me dumb. Oh, never mind. I accidentally did. What?
If Barney
the coffee. Just be patient. The Kofe.
Warning. I
Barney
am
is a
patient,
dinosaur.
but if he comes,
Barney is a dinosaur. Go to room 6, please. Just go.
Marnie
No, why there?
is a dinosaur.
It's
and
a
he's
dinosaur.
thirsty.
There's a dinosaur dog.
Is he
Bro.
good?
Yo. It's the dinosaur patient. It's the dinosaur. Okay,
Yes.
Hi. Hi. You're calling me broke even though. Okay, I'm just gonna. No. Bye. Okay. Run. I'm coming. I am not coming. Okay, fine. Wah. 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 Okay, help. Look at flashback. I'm not doing. I'm not looking down. Wow, you really have human bones. It doesn't look like you have. How much bananas do you have? Okay, the Band-Aid, medkit, and maple syrup. Hope you're not Canadian. Imagine he is. I'm out of here, bro. I was a girl in the village doing alright. Is that the right way to say? Yeah. Did you just close the shutters? Just eat
Yeah, because he's bad.
it? Because it's bad where... Oh, I'm in bad. I was a girl in the village doing... I was a girl in the... Teleports. Wowie! It's the green dinosaur! Don't say ouch.
Do Yamada.
Analyze. You're Canadian. He's Canadian. He's Canadian. He has low sugar and Canadian.
Zara.
Yeah.
Zara. You know,
Hey,
I
you stop
put my
calling me
cat
Zara.
in a basket.
Call me alien, bro.
Okay.
Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Okay, thank you.
Eat it up. Eat it.
Eat the maple syrup. Eat the If you say you don't like it, you're here for the treatment.
Rathu's here. Yes, sir.
Rathu. Oh wait, you're not my favorite. Sorry.
Who's your favorite?
I guess no one. I actually don't like anyone. Like they're Loki chop. Except Rathu. But I don't like him. I don't like him. Like I'm not a fan of him. Mash and stomachache. You're welcome. Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah. Why am I screaming? Oh, you can see my name, Alien.
Zara, you better not mess up on Rathu. Oh, there's a smiling customer. Wow.
I don't like the way they look at me. What are you talking about, bro? You're like the cutest little, the cutest little fella in it. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna skip this part. Like,
hold on,
Rathu's Canadian. Rathu survived. My name is John the Grey Fromage, aka Artful. Where the poo did you go? You scared me. Oh, big back you left. Oh, shitting. Oh, copy. Brother, I have 67 sanity. I'm low-key scared. Is it behind me? Isn't it? I feel like I can do this anymore. I think I just saw red with a soccer. Hello, mate. What? What did I say, mate? Oh, she left the car. Daddy, what's up, niya? What's up, niya? What's up, niya? What's up? What's up? What's up? What if Pursuer had WhatsApp? Anyways, I think I'm gonna end this video now. I'm looking bored and she left. It's a Cybertruck. No, really. Anyway, thank you for watching my vid. And also, I think my friend has a channel, but I don't know what the name is. And wow, that guy's flying. Don't ask me why I'm using my Bad Red cosplay. I forgot to change it to my avatar. Oh my gosh, I'm lagging so bad. I hope you enjoy my vids. And my very oldest videos are low cringe. I'm sorry, okay? Like okay, bye. Oh my gosh. Okay, why am I doing this, bro? What the heck? Bye bye, Flying Bird. I mean, not Flying Bird. What am I saying, bro? See ya next time.